another piece of experimental that could be possible or may be good or bad. Hello, my name is ZBQ, and welcome to another video of Art Design logo design. Yeah. So I've been thinking of something else for this design. It's gonna be another animal design. And the thing about this animal is it's quite unique for the time being. I'm going to show you before we start with the time lapse of the design. And then basically what I'm going to put this animal into a pond and also have some flowers around it. Alright, so yeah, let me just go ahead and make these a little more occupied. Alright, so like one that goes here, another one goes here because of the pond. And then that could go there too. There you go. Oh. And maybe the flowers go on top of it. Okay. So there you go. That's how it's gonna actually approach. So like that. And then ignore this part. I'll get the legs will go here actually. So yeah. So this is actually the new spam what I'm gonna work on for the new team, Shadow Waves. I'm still working on it how I'm gonna actually format what the characters and their spirit animals, and also what kind of element and classes they should have. But since all of them are going to be actually dragons, and if I'm going to go with the maximum of 10 members or just the 5 members for the time being. Okay? Yeah, anyway, enough about that. Let me go ahead and jump into the time lapse of me designing this new spirit animal, a Anku. See if you tell me which is the correct pronunciation of it. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Enough of that. Let's go ahead and jump in. Wish you good luck. And there you have it. This is the art design for the logo design, the NQ Avalon, whatever you pronounce it into a way of it. Okay? But yeah, I believe they did a pretty good job with it. With the flowers, and then the bird into a pond. Looks very good so far, and I do like it a lot. It feels the grasp of it. So yeah, good job to myself. Yeah. Anyway, I do have a name for him, for her, I think. Could be a girl, actually. So yeah, I've been thinking about that name for quite a long time. Long time. Just one thing, I'm gonna make it a lot smaller. Nah, see that coming. Okay. Hey, and then let's put, or change color actually to that, and then also I'm gonna actually change the color. Let's put Gothic. I think Gothic would be good, or classy. Fletchy. I'll say Fletchy. Oh, that's not good. Okay, gotta put something else in. Alright, hmm. I think we could put it like that. Yeah, script, regular. Yeah, I like that. Okay, there you go. There you go. And then we just go ahead and just bring it a little more. Bring it a little more. Like that. Alright, that works. Nice. Alright, there you go. I like it now. Alright, so Alana is gonna be the name of this animal. However you actually say it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Indeed so. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Join T Ravens. Do follow me on all my streaming accounts. And I'll see you next time. Bye. With walls and battles, we unite the night. summon the courage, let the spirits guide you. Together we roar